Guys, it's morning time. We're just right here in the garden getting it going, baby. Wake it up, shake it up. Humans, as we know, are very ritualistic creatures, and here I am once again doing my favorite ritual, listening to the song I'm sure you've heard many times before. It's one of my favorite on the snowboarding slope, but now my face painting ritual, which represents war, represents preparing for battle from eons ago, and I've turned it into my bike ride pre-ritual. So here we are. I'm set. We're ready. It's midday. It's the only day today. And now we seize the day. See you out there. Here we go, y'all. Main Street Monster, Bronze Bomber. 2 miles to the beach, and here we go. Already ready to freak it out. It's getting to be summer, y'all. Let's get to cranking. Iconic pier. Big D for real. All gratitude. Look at what happens when you hit topside. Wind coming straight at me. It's almost impossible. But you know what? This is exactly why I do it every single day. And you know what that means? If the wind's against me on this side, once I turn around, it'll be a different story. Let's fucking push. Here we go. Where you going, Matt? Little sets, baby. Let's see if we got them down by the jetty. Remember, the only path is ahead of us. The only destiny is the one we choose. Once again, we find ourselves at the edge of destiny here. No other than Perspective Point. Where the tides change, where the winds change, where everything changes. Just like every single day, now it's up to us to choose. The path of least resistance or the path to enlightenment. Sometimes they're the same one. Carpe diem. About an hour in, 2/3 of the way through. I am dogging right now. Too much traveling. Here we go, y'all. Get ready for the Mr. Health and Fitness. Put me on the front of that magazine. Voting starts May 6th. You know who to pick. None other than me. The old D. Wednesday. Nobody on the beach. Just like I love it. Wednesday brings me thoughts of fortitude, brings me feelings of solitude, and an overwhelming aura of gratitude. Here we are, once again. Yeah. Wow. 63 minutes in, 14 miles. We deserve a breather, y'all. What a day. Back from the bike ride. Wow, it was awesome. I was really struggling to keep 13 miles an hour. It was wind both ways uphill, just like Grandpa told us on the way to school. Yeah, I'm back. I'm feeling pumped. We got dopamine going. And you know what I'm doing? I got my... And I'm looking, and how grateful was I? Thailand, Bahamas, Colombia. Look at how I've been to 42 countries. I have 0 tattoos on my body. But as I go through and check out, I think I'd rather have the tattoos right here and the memories up top. Don't mean to sound selfish, but this Instagram is private and it's mostly for me, just to keep my photos on here like a little memory book, so I don't have to stash them anywhere else. But I do appreciate you guys coming along, and if it helps you out, more power to you.